Hiya, it's Ashok again, but today I've got something a little different for you. Whether you're a dentist or an interested patient, today I'm going to attempt to read out other people's answers to your questions. And the tricky thing is I'm going to try and do this before you ask them. So I should probably explain that first. This morning I spoke with a charming prospective patient who was a little bit nervous because she was an ex-smoker whose dentist had recommended Saber tooth white. This was all good, but she'd been put off whitening so far because her teeth were naturally very sensitive. That's all in a day's work, but the funny thing was I'd barely opened my mouth to reply when she goes, "Awesome, I just read the reviews and I think I'll be fine." Even better, she thanked me for all my help and I barely choked out a confused "you're welcome" when she said bye and put the phone down. After a few minutes I was thinking to myself and I thought, hey, there's a video idea in there somewhere. So now here we are. So today's topic is going to cover the 3 questions I get asked the most, and for each topic I'll show you some reviews dealing with that subject. We have a massive amount of reviews coming in every day, so check our site out if you want to see any more. The first topic today is always going to be for people who have sensitive teeth. This is the single biggest worry about tooth whitening, and getting rid of sensitivity has been one of the key aspects of Saber tooth white from the very beginning. The second question we get asked about is always about results and how white people's teeth will get. And the final question is all about speed and how quickly you can get that great smile. Finally, I'm going to do the standard closing bit and tell you a bit about the free Saber tooth white gifts. Feel free to skip to the parts that interest you. If I've done this right, there should be a skipping feature in the information section under this video, and that can get you to the bits that you need. Now, just so you guys know, I've actually had to cut some of these reviews down to size. Seriously, when some people get going in their reviews, they do get pretty long. Now, this patient here was treated at one dental spa, and you can see from their treatment review, I guess I was expecting a drawn out procedure with much sensitivity afterwards. Within half an hour, procedure was complete, teeth had been surprisingly whitened and there was no sensitivity, 2 definite thumbs up. So they went in expecting a bit of pain, pleasantly surprised to find out that it was pain free. And you can see on the practice review here that his dentist at one dental spa, Dr. Modi, had sampled Saber tooth in the past and was so shocked by our results that this was the only whitening system he would recommend. It's always good to know. Now this one here, this one's great. This one's from Millennium Dentistry. It says here that this patient was that had such a bad experience in the past that she'd had to stop halfway through a procedure. So fair play for her for going in there and trying it again. She tried it with Saber tooth, and full credit to the team at Millennium Dentistry, she had no sensitivity. And again with this third one here, this patient was noticeably whiter after just 1 treatment and no sensitivity. Plus, she said she has a great relationship with her dentist, Dr. Mavani, at Faces and Smiles. She'd recommend this treatment to anyone and is continually pleased with the results. Okay, now we're on to the results. This is the thing that everyone's into whitening for in the first place. There's no point paying for your whitening unless you're going to get that great smile. Here we can see that the patient had tried some other gel in the past and apparently it didn't taste anywhere near as good as this one. She said she hadn't needed to use this one for the full 14 days as her dentist advised, but she's still got some left that she can top it up if needed. This patient got great results and didn't even need to finish her treatment. This one was at Lawley Dental Practice, and according to the patient, they're a really good team for nervous patients too. Now this one's for Weissman Parry, and again this patient used it after their dentist recommended it. She said, "I could not believe how much whiter my teeth became using so little gel. Really worked wonders, plus it wasn't painful at all." Very happy with her dentist for recommending the product. It was just what she needed. This one's from the Dental Care Centre. This patient was initially extremely nervous. She said the procedure was easy and pain-free with great instant results. The takeaway whitening kit was such a good investment and it enables her to keep her sparkling smile 24/7. So all in all, great results and an amazing dental team. What more could you ask for? This patient even recommended her family and friends to get in on the treatment. Right, on to speed again. This is always a crucial factor in whitening. The number of patients who ring in just before Valentine's Day or Christmas or work photos asking if the whitening will work in time is crazy. Luckily we're always able to assure them of a quick result. So this one was so painless and so quick. The effect was straight away and she felt no sensitivity either during or after. This one was Dr. Ruparelia and his staff treating the patient at Tewkesbury Dental. Perfect score for them. They spoke through each stage of the procedure and put the patient at ease. Informative, and even took before and after photos to show the patient the difference. Oh, this one here, this even had our team in the office impressed. This one's from One Dental Spa. She said day 1 of her treatment and already 5 shades whiter. Looking forward to the final results, a painless and fast improvement. Now that's actually a huge result. If I hadn't heard it directly from the patient, I'm not sure I would have believed it, to be honest, but 5 shades and she's not even at the final result. You have no doubts that she looked absolutely stunning for her wedding day. If you want to see more reviews like this, head along to our website and see what people have been saying for yourself. And if you want to get in touch with one of these dental practices or any of the ones listed on our website, let us know and we'll hook you up with their details. Remember, every single one of those patients whose review we just read out, and the ones who are listed on the website, and all the ones who we didn't have space for on the website, every one of them used our home whitening kit. Typically, we recommend wearing our custom trays for an hour a day for 14 days. This is the average, but your dentist may want to modify this for you depending on what your teeth are like. If you're very lucky, you may end up like most of our patients here, who even stop their treatment after a few days because they reached their desired shade early. Teeth whitening is one of the easiest and most cost-effective ways to give yourself a lasting cosmetic makeover, and in keeping with that sense of class, our home kits are presented to patients in a stylish hard case, containing all of your whitening materials. This case comes with 4 syringes of whitening gel, which will easily last your entire whitening course, and give you some extra for any future touch-ups down the line. The case makes great on-the-go storage for your makeup, MP3 player, or even games consoles. There's even a shade chart in there and a table in the instructions so you can track your progress at home. Saber Tooth White offers outstanding results and incredible treatment, but we're also very happy to provide an extra added bonus for every one of our patients. Every single one of our home whitening kits comes with an offer for a free brush-on whitening pen worth £100. This pen is the perfect complement to your whitening treatment, and the brush-on style means you can take it wherever you go. The quick-drying, fast-acting formula takes just 30 seconds to apply, and then you're done. You don't even need to rinse it off afterwards. To claim your free whitening pen, all you have to do is visit the reviews section on our website and type out a quick review of your treatment and the dentist that treated you. As soon as we get your reviews, your pen will be sent out straight out, free of charge. Remember to check our website for more information on Saber Tooth White and to check out the most recent customer reviews. You can also contact us on info@sabertoothwhite if you want a personal answer to any of your questions. You can even keep up to date with us via our Twitter feed at twitter.com/SaberTWhite.